Okay, ready?
See what's in the box? What's in the box? Can you pull that out?
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Elmo.
What is that? Is that Elmo? Elmo? Oh, there's something else. Way in there. Can you get that? What's that? You pull that out? What's that? Can you pull that one out?
No.
No? Mommy doing?
Okay.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Look at how much hair Ernie has. Oh my goodness. Ernie has a lot of hair.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. And who's this?
Oh.
Elmo.
yeah.
He's so soft. Elmo likes Madeline. And you have Elmo and Bert and Ernie. Can you say thank you, Grandpa?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How cool.
That's neat.
Elmo. Here's Elmo right here. Should we take this necklace off Elmo? These are really cool. I can't believe how much hair